Hello, I am Kim Miller with Reece and Nichols Warrensburg Whiteman Realty. I service the Pettis and Johnson County areas. Bright and cheerful tri-level plan with vaulted ceilings in the living room and dining areas, large eat-in kitchen with lots of cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Master bedroom has a full bath, 2 walk-in closets, family room on the lower level with a half bath, a sub-basement with egress window which could be an additional bedroom, huge lot with wooden privacy fence, back deck and inviting front porch located in a great neighborhood waiting for the right buyer to make it home.